In order for the model to be complete and also evaluable, we need the rooms. On the one hand, these ensure that the model looks appealing and, at the same time, give you the opportunity to evaluate a lot of important information. In this wizard, rooms are already predefined. However, you can also call the function in the action bar and enter the information manually. In the properties of the rooms you will find additional information explaining all values. Then you can define the room point by point. Or simply click into the area and use the automatic area search. Furniture that you have placed in the model from the library is automatically linked to the room. In this way, entire rooms with furniture can also be moved or copied. In the options you will find further setting options for the display of the rooms. The layers that have been defined in the rooms can thus also be displayed later in a section. All surfaces can of course also be created individually and can then be evaluated in the same way. But before we get to that, in the next video we will show you the options for working with views and sections in ALLPLAN.